All right. It's your boy PFS Tib from Deep South Trading LLC. This video is for your education and entertainment purposes only. So this is just going to be an update on where I'm at with Apex. So for some reason, I looked at the charts this morning and saw this overnight action where we just, we hit yesterday's high and we just coming on down. Saw my ADX was at 53. Usually a good indication, hey, we may be having a little change of direction here. But my rule is to trade with the background color. The only time that I can go against it is if we pull up to the 50, which is this line here. If we come above the 50 pullback, and then it gives me a long signal, I can take that. That means a change of direction. Well, for some reason, when the market opened, and I got this long signal right here, I decided to take this long. Alright? Well, you can about imagine how that turned out. So right off the bat on the ES, let me see where we're at here. Well, actually, ES and NQ. I mean, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4.
NASDAQ reversing.
4 contracts, 5 contracts in, which was a couple of trades. One on ES, one on NQ. I'm down $975 right off the bat. Now, why would I decide to go long? I have no idea. My NQ trade short got stopped out for some reason. But anyway, so what happened was you can see here the 9 and the 30 converged, and I got a short signal at 70. Okay. Well, I should have been all over it. I mean, I should have been all over that short signal. Let me take the NQ trades off real quick. Okay. So I did take a short at 70.75. So I got in here on a pullback and I rode that down to 63. Which was around this area I got out. Actually, let me see. No, it had to be a little further because I got out at 63 even. I must have got out in this area. Here was a pullback to the 9. This was another good entry here. I should have added contracts and went short some more. Even in this area would have been good. Then we got another pullback to the 30. Got another short signal. Boom, and down she went. This is our 15-minute opening range. I trade opening range breakout on options, so that's why I have this on my ES chart. Okay, so still no indication to go long. Like I said, background's red. Let me read what I have on my set of rules. Only trade when the background has a color. Okay, so that means I have to have a color, and I only trade in a direction of the color showing me, which would be short. Or actually, I only trade in the direction of the 50 SMA. So we're below the 50. I should only be taking shorts in this area unless we pull back above the 50, come back and reject it. Then I can go long. But I got written here, trade direction of 50 moving average. Okay. So let's see, 942. So right here, guess what I do? I take another long. Why would I take a long here? That makes no sense. So I go 3 contracts long, and I lose 154, 154, and 141. So about $450 basically. Why? Okay, so that's the things that I'm working on. But I did catch myself today. I got up from the computer, walked away. CFT has a great video that he posted today about tilt. I recommend, if you struggle with the emotional side of trading, that you listen to his video. He gives some good ideas. So anyway, then we just went kind of sideways. You can see here, this is, what was this? Value, I guess that's value area high for now. Yeah. Just kind of went sideways. And then you can see right here, we broke the 15-minute opening range. This would have been a really good short. And what I like is we're close. You can see how our 9 and 30 is close to the 50 also. Okay, 50's right here, 54.50, 57.50. I mean, we're very close. Okay, so I mean, that's a great pullback. And then bam, you can see it was Katie Bordador after that. Down she goes.
Nasdaq reversing.
So if I'd have got in this short around 52 and a quarter, S2 would have been our target at 33. I mean, that's what, a 20-point move. Like I said, even if I wouldn't have took the 20 points, there was other areas. You know, this would have been a good entry here. We pulled back basically to the 30, broke back below the 9,
reversing.
Short that sucker. Pull back to the 9, short that sucker. I mean, it's giving us all the clues we need. You know, it's telling us what we need to do. So there was no reason to take any longs today. Why am I such a contrarian? That's what I'm journaling, and that's what this journey is to help me find out. All right, so where am I at? All right, I am at 3208.62.
Nasdaq reversing.
This is day 3 of trading for me. All right, I got this account Sunday, but I didn't really get to. I didn't get to trade it, you know, like I wanted to. Let's see what my summary says here. This is something else that I need to work on that I'm not really happy with. Let me make sure I got this. I think it was this. When did that sell in? Yeah. So Sunday was the 18th. Yeah, that's when I got it. Okay. So if you look here, make sure I got all my, put a little NQ on here too. If you look at my stats, all right, my gross profit is 87.64. My loss is 53.64. I'm not tightening up my stops soon enough, okay? I need to get to break even like really quick and enter again if it goes, you know, if I get a signal. Because there's no reason I should be losing, you know, or giving up $5,000. Now this is in 3 days of trading, 87.64. My win percentage is about 59, which I'm gonna try to get that up. I'm working on getting that up to 70%. So, all right, let's look at just ES. So ES win percentage is about 67%. I $2,600 in profit. Gross profit was 44. You know, you can see there I'm down about $2,000. You know, I gave up about $2,000 on it. NQ, here lies the problem. So I'm thinking about getting rid of NQ altogether and just focus solely on ES, because gross profit was $4,700. Okay, I mean, I'm sorry, $4,200.
Nasdaq reversing.
Gross loss was $3,400. All right, $780 after commissions, with a 51.85% win rate. I'm okay with the win rate, but what I'm not okay with is giving up $3,400 out of $4,200. That's where the problem lies. Okay. I didn't take any option trades. I'm gonna wrap this video, make this video look quick today. So I didn't take any option trades today. I was tied up a little bit longer than I wanted to meet my goal on futures. So my opening range breakout is, I trade with Axe Options. Kudos to them. They also do an axe spread, and Joey posted yesterday they had their 100th win, and they're up over 84% year to date. 117 trades, 100 winners, which I think is great. But here you can see the opening range breakout. It's 15-minute. And right here, you know, when we broke below, here's when I should have put on a call credit spread. But like I said, I was tied up with futures trading, so I didn't get to take this one today. I was trying to, you know, hit my daily goal of 1,000 in Apex. So, but, you know, there's always another day. I don't know if any of you guys use Bookmap, but I did not know this. If you have a Thinkorswim account, you can actually use Bookmap for ES for no charge. Okay. They also have it for, you got 3 instruments you can look at. You have ES, Apple, okay, got Apple on here if there's any Apple traders, and Microsoft. What is that? MSFT. Yeah. I think it's Microsoft. Yeah. Okay. So Apple, ES, and Microsoft. So kudos to Mike Walker for sharing that tidbit the other day. Oh, wow. Look at this. That's pretty cool. I don't really know how to use Bookmap yet. I'm going to start probably watching some videos this weekend. Learn how to use it, see if it helps me. Like I said, it's a free resource. I do trade the ES. So if there's any other ES traders out there, you may want to take a look at it. So, alright. But I'm just going to sit here. I'll wait and see maybe if I get a future option set up later on today. Probably take it. But you can use this. You can use the ES to help me, you know, with SPX. Just not a whole lot going on here. As you can see, I drew these levels from the 15-minute chart, and we're just going sideways right now. So we'll wait and see what happens. Well, all right, guys. I got to work tomorrow, so probably won't be posting any videos. Not sure next week what's going to go on as far as if I'm going to trade or wait until after the first of the year. If I don't see you guys, everybody take time between now and the first and write down your trading goals. What are you looking for the year? What would you like to accomplish? Okay? I wrote down a few things that I'm going to share with you guys.
ES reversing.
So, I like to travel. I want to take a trip at least once a quarter. Now, in March of 2023, I have my Cancun trip scheduled already. So, I also would like to go north and eat some lobster this year from Maine. Something to catch, you know, that I can go and pick out my lobster and they'll ball it right there for me. Niagara Falls, Los Cabos, and probably the Dominican
NASDAQ
Republic.
reversing.
So,
NASDAQ
that's what I'm looking at for
reversing.
this year. Dominican Republic / Costa
NASDAQ reversing.
Rica. Not sure. I'd like to go to Costa Rica also. Now, as far as trading, and I will be adding more to these goals, and I have some other things I want to do is I want to make a
NASDAQ reversing.
withdrawal from a funding company. Okay?
NASDAQ
Canadian
reversing.
Futures Trader posted something about UProfit. They came out with an account that doesn't have a trailing drawdown. So, like I said, if you're not familiar with them, check out Canadian Future Trader's site. I also want to trade a $10,000 regular account, my own account, and I would like to make between $500 and $1,500 a week in my options trading. So this week I had a good week. Yesterday I hit a trade for about 110. I had to leave early. I think I was looking for 185 on it, but I had to leave, so I closed it out at 110 the day before. I was up about $640 on my options. So I know now, I actually know that I can make at least, over 500 a week. So 5 to 1,500 a week is gonna be a good goal. Also, I want to trade some of my retirement accounts, which I'm actually trading the wheel strategy in my Roth account. So I need to do a little catch up in there and make some money for those years that I didn't invest right. All right, guys. Happy holidays. Be safe on the road if you're doing any traveling, and let's continue this journey and let's make it happen. All right. Good luck.